Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhaktiyabeh Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines. Lockdown further extended. Medal awarding parade of the 6th Sri Lankan aviation contingent was held. Ratwate still as State Minister of Gem Industries. SF encourages prison inmates to thrash politicos if they are harassed. Teachers can complain if threatened for conducting online classes. President instructs to inoculate children above age 15 with Pfizer. Now diving into those stories in detail. Health Minister Keheliya Rambukwella stated that the island-wide lockdown has been further extended until the 1st of October. Rambukwella said government essential services impacting the economy will, however, be allowed to function and conditions will be notified soon. The United Nations Service Medal Awarding Parade of the 6th Sri Lankan Aviation Contingent Multidimensional Integrated Stabilization Mission in the Central African Republic was held recently with all necessary precautionary measures against the COVID-19 pandemic. Deputy Force Commander Major General Paulo Maia Pereira graced the occasion as the chief guest and was received by the 6th Sri Lankan Aviation Contingent Commander, Wing Commander Jeet Samarasekara. UNP Deputy Leader Ruwan Wijewardena stated that the government should clarify whether Lohan Ratwate is still functioning as the State Minister in charge of gem and jewellery related industries. He stated that it is a grave offence to point a pistol at someone and threaten him or her with death. Therefore, Mr. Ratwate should be arrested and produced before a magistrate. A SJB MP stated that inmates in prison should break the bones of state ministers if they storm into prisons and harass them by keeping pistols on their heads. SJB MP Field Marshal Sarath Fonseca told a press conference that he would encourage prison inmates to break the bones of politicos such as Lohan Ratwate if they storm into prisons and harass them. The police headquarters announced that teachers who conduct online classes for students can lodge a complaint directly with the CID if any party or individual threatens them not to indulge in online teaching activities. Police said complaints can be made to 119 Police Emergency Line or to the nearest police station. Public Security Minister has instructed the IGP and the DIG in charge of the CID to enforce the law promptly, accurately and strictly regarding such complaints. Army Commander General Shavendra Silva stated that President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has instructed authorities to inoculate children between age 15 to 19 with Pfizer vaccines. He said that the president has also instructed to vaccinate the children above 12 years with special needs with the Pfizer vaccines. The commander said around 50,000 children with special needs will be inoculated accordingly at their clinic. For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhaktiyabeh Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.